welcome to another episode of The Independent Black Woman. I'm about to attempt to clean my throttle body. I got a Chevy Cruze 2018. You already know, if you got a Chevy Cruze, that's like most likely the majority of where the issues come from, needing to clean that throttle body. So we're gonna attempt to do that today. I got a new gasket right here, and yeah, let's get right into it. Always disconnect the negative cable on your battery, especially when like doing electrical parts. So we about to do that. I'm gonna try to record this for y'all, but the way my trunk is set up and my battery's back here, I got this little ghetto setup. So try to be resourceful, but we're gonna use a 10mm. I feel like a 10mm is so universal. Like, you can use this for literally everything. Make sure you turn this little thingy to go the right way. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. I'll turn it. Start from far out. Lord, I could never be a content creator. This is a lot. And then we just... Oh, I'm going the wrong fucking way. My bad, guys. So start from this way, since we're going to be trying to loosen it. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'll just be, trying it. When you hear that, you know you're doing something right. Alright. I would recommend you use gloves, but I can't find my gloves. So yeah, we got that loose. So we got it loose. I usually have gloves, but I can't fucking find them. You want to be careful because this is like an electrical opponent. So I just like to put something right here so that it doesn't spark. Sorry, technical difficulties. So yeah, just like that, so that it doesn't spark on the battery, whatever, when you're working. That might not be a good idea, but that's what we're doing right now. So yep, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I'm low-key scared to do this, but I gotta do it. Like, I'm tired of paying money for this car. So, and I looked it up and watched the video 35 times, and it's so simple. So plus the mechanic's always trying to talk to you and do all this extra stuff. I don't feel like it. So we're gonna take our flat head. Just remember, all your electrical components to your car is now cut off because we unhooked the battery. So I'm gonna take a flathead screwdriver and we're gonna get this thing started. Let me see if I can prop you up somewhere. So I have a 1.4 LS Chevy Cruze. Throttle body is right back here. This little thing is connected to the throttle body. So this clip right here is what I'm going to be attempting to get off. This little clip right here. So I got the clip off, and look how dirty that shit is. Or look at my fingers. I got to go find some gloves. But it's all good. Make sure you keep all your parts, your pieces where you can find them. Shit. Alright. Take your time when doing this. Don't be too quick like me, because first off, you want to take off your engine cover and everything before you do anything. And you have to take this bolt off. I told y'all 10mm pretty much works for everything, so I'm gonna use that. Alright, we got the engine cover off. This is the throttle body right here. So I'm gonna take this little hose piece off. We're gonna unhook that. So we unhooked the hose, and I just kind of used the nail to like hold it. Look how dirty that throttle body is, y'all. Oh my god. Now we're going to take out these 4 bolts right here. Oh gosh, that's the scary part. Now for these back bolts, it's kind of hard to get to them because you got this piece in the way. So I bought this little extension. It's like a 6-inch extension, and I got a 3/8 wobble. This little piece here, it moves in any like a 360 direction, so you can reach hard spots. And I just attached a 10mm to the end of it. So I'm gonna try to get those back ones out first, since they're the hardest, and let's see how that goes. So it's a clip keeping the throttle body on here. I don't know if this piece is like broke or what, but I'm gonna use a flat head to kind of hit this little flat right here, so I can loosen up this clip and just get it loose from the electrical part. I feel like that's about to be a pain in my ass. And you just want to be careful because this is the electrical part of it. Yeah, that's going to be a bitch. Okay, so I've been over for 10 minutes and my back is literally fucking killing me. So we're going to do plan B, which is grab some type of terry cloth or something, and we're just going to spray that down with the throttle body cleaner. And I just noticed there's absolutely no gasket on here. When I took this off, there was no gasket. This is a throttle body gasket that should have been on there, but it's not. So I'm going to get some type of terry cloth, try to clean the inside as best as I can without spraying the inside, wetting the cloth, and just kind of getting in there and seeing if that helped a little bit. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to take this shit off the way my back hurt. Like, shout out to the mechanics. So yeah, let's do that and see if that helps a little bit. I don't know. I'm not even going to attempt because, child, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I got shit to do. So I found one of my little dusty little microfiber cloths. This should be perfect. One of those, you know, them car towels. And I got some throttle body cleaner. So I'm going to just take this, spray my cloth, and I'm just going to go in there and clean it and see if that helped a little bit. Alright, so I know I said I wasn't going to take it off, but I changed my mind. I got all 4 of the screws out. And I loosened that bitch. Oh my God. You can really do anything you put your mind to. Now, this is going to be my problem right here. This motherfucking clip. So, I'm going to try to unclip it. I'll be back. So, I finally got it off, y'all, with a little bit of help. This piece gave me a hard fucking time because the little clip piece broke. So, I got a little helper. I used the flathead and she pulled. So, look how dirty it is. Oh my God. So, we got some throttle body cleaner right here. And I'm just going to spray it all in here. Avoid getting it on the electrical part, and yeah, I'm just gonna spray it all inside there. Put them out. It's so dirty in here. Ooh, be careful breathing it in.
Oh, it stinks.
Okay. I'm just gonna take my little dirty rag. Wipe it. You really should let it soak a little bit, but
I don't think that's the side.
huh?
I don't think that's the side that you had sprayed first.
It is. Why, it look cleaner?
It looked, oh, I guess because it all leaked out onto the pavement.
Yeah, because, I mean, I don't know. I might need a new one for real, but shit. So, yeah.